Hello everyone, how are we all doing? I just want to make a quick video regarding what is going on. Um, my god, the video is not okay. Yeah, we are back. Please guys, I would like to make a quick video. I don't know if you can hear the sound of rain. It's raining here. I just want to make a short video. I am outside in my house. A lot of people are complaining about what IPOB people are doing. I don't know if the video is clear or not. I'm trying to vlog here. So I just want to react on what is going on around us. You know, some people don't know what is going on in Nigeria. You know, election is next year. People are, chanting obedience. Some are for Atiku, some are articulated, while some are some are for Tinubu. So everybody have the right to support whoever they want to support. You know, IPOB came up saying that there will be no election. The election is not going to hold in Biafra land. That is in Igbo land especially, and the South. And why some people are reacting negatively about it. Some people said no way they will support it. I mean, people that I'm talking about are also follow Biafrans. The Igbos people also want to have people be in the power. You know, but the situation of Nigeria is very, very complicated. Very, very complicated. Some people think that if you are supporting Biafra, that you are not a good person. You know, that you are not for Nigeria, that you are against Nigeria, that you are against the present government and whoever that is in power. The case, you know, that is not true. Somebody like me, if you have a better country, like Nigeria can be restructured very well, I don't think people will be chanting for Biafra and complaining. But the case is totally different. The case is totally different because people that are in power, I mean the Northerners, they don't want to hear anything about restructuring at all. What they want is Nigeria to remain the way it is because they are the one benefiting from it. Which is quite funny because Nigeria is a country that is very big, very well populated, but only the minorities are controlling everyone. And the strategy they are using now is that they have opened doors for their brothers in other countries, in other African countries, to join them in Nigeria because they see Nigeria as a safe haven. They see Nigeria as a country that is meant for them and only them alone. So if you are somehow supporting the election, you know, you are indirectly trying to validate the condition of Nigeria, that you support it the way it is, that you want it to continue the way it is. That is fact. So it's not that people hate Nigerian, you know, to be one, but the problem is that there's no way you can make Nigeria to be workable if you are to stay one. I don't think Igbos or other Southerners hate Northerners or hate Fulanis or Hausas. No. But the way Nigerian government is being restructured, the way it is at the moment, there's no way we can say, okay, there will be a better tomorrow for ourselves and for our children. What I'm trying to say here in particular is that the best way for us to do is to depart. And it will bring peace, it will bring a unity, it will bring a development, it will bring growth. If you want to, you know, go to north, you can go to north. If you want to go to south, you can go to south. Then you have yourself, have your home, you know, the way you want it to be. But now, there's no way you will have the country to be, you know, successful like other countries. Some people have argued, you know, that P2B will do a lot when he finds himself in the power, that he will help do this and do that. Yes, he may have that in mind. He's a good man. I don't think P2B will do something funny. I believe that he will do something good. But the problem is that they are not going to allow him to do that which all of us want to have, which all of us believe that he can do. The people in power, the people that own the country, will not allow him to do those things. So what are you going to do in such case, whereby he is not allowed to do the needful? Are you going to come back and start shouting Biafra, that you are IPOB, that they want Nigeria to divide, after you have tried your best to elect your man? You have tried to put him in power and he couldn't get there, or maybe he found himself there and he did not do something that you expected him to do. So these are things that we need to consider here. I don't think Simon Ekpa or any other Biafrans hate P2B. I don't think so. What we are saying here is what is going to be good for everybody, not only for Igbos, even for the Northerners also, because they have a lot of poor people there, people that cannot even speak for themselves, people that don't even know where to go, how to handle the situation, what to do, and how to go about it. So these are the things everybody needs to consider. It's not about hatred. It's not about you don't want P2B to do this or to do that. That is fact. That is fact. So let's not bring something that is not the issue here. We need to focus on what is the problem, why we find ourselves where we are today. This is something that I just want us to discuss about. It is something that I just want us to talk about. My time is getting up, so I will end the video here. This is a short video that I just want us to talk about what is going on in Nigeria. If you find this video interesting, please consider subscribing, because I will be doing videos like this often, discussing what is happening around us and to clear the air. Some people are confused about what is going on. Maybe you don't like the tone some of the IPOB members or Biafrans are using, to talk about the situation, something like that. But this is not the case. So guys, it's raining here. I will end the video here. Have a wonderful time and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.